So this is a upright double bass. It belonged to my granddad, and now I'm going to restore it. I had given it to a music shop for repairs, but due to some negligence, he was unable to make it, and it was kept lying on his roof shed. And let's see how well things go. And finally, the doctor's tape, strengthening the back core because the plywood has gone very slim. Fillers, cleaning the tuning pegs, making the tuning peg. And I thought this double bass, upright bass, is made somewhere in Calcutta or somewhere. But to my surprise, while cleaning it, this is what I found. Made in Cleveland, US. Making the end pin, the wooden end pin with sesame wood. Sesame is the Hindi word, the English word is rosewood. Somehow managed to get ebony wood. Ebony is tendu. They say when you hit a hatchet, sparks come out. So this will be used to make the tailpiece. Making the locking peg of the stock, of the neck. Because upright strings are very costly, I'll be using tabla straps. Let's see if this works. Aligning the leather. This is being a difficult process to give it a roundish shape. Shaping of the nut from the ebony wood. Fitting the neck. Sanding before polishing. Stainer. Waited for long for the heat to go so that I could start the painting. Detailing, trying to give it a wooden grain design. And finally, touchwood, PU. Finally, the beast is ready. Finally is the time to play this thing and see how the tuning is, how this leather string is working or not, or else I'll have to wait for a giveaway for the string. Somebody please send me some upright bass strings from abroad, because in India I don't think so we get it here, and even the bow, and I think so I will have to work on its action. The action is too high, but the intonation is the main problem.